Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch face down on a soft pad and gripping the clasp area. This reduces slips. Use the spring bar tool to depress the clip and expose the link pin, because once visible you can remove tension safely. Slowly lever the split pin end while keeping the bracelet aligned. Make sure to note the link orientation and pin direction, since reassembly must mirror what you removed. Handle small parts with tweezers to avoid losing them. Once the pin head is accessible, push it out gently in the correct direction using a pin pusher against a support block, because forcing at the wrong angle can bend the link. After removal, compare the old pin to a replacement and choose an identical diameter and length. Make sure the new pin seats flush. Align the links, then tap the pin in with light, controlled blows. Once it stops moving, check link play and reseat if necessary to prevent future loosening. You finish by closing the clasp and testing movement across the repaired link. If it opens smoothly and the bracelet sits without tilt, you're done. Once done, flex the bracelet a few times to confirm there is no lateral play or rubbing. Make sure edges align and pins remain flush. If you notice wobble or binding, do not force it. Remove the pin and try a correctly sized replacement. And if the link is deformed, consider a jeweler for micro-welding or professional reshaping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.